This is why you need a personalized employability roadmap, because your career deserves a unique path. In today's job market, generic advice just doesn't cut it. Meet the Personalized Employability Roadmap, a game changer for your career journey. Imagine having a GPS for your career, tailored to your strengths, aspirations, and goals. This isn't a one-size-fits-all plan. It's your custom strategy to success. First, we assess your unique skills and interests. Then we target job opportunities that fit you perfectly, avoiding the scattergun approach of mass applications. Next, we craft standout branding tools, resumes, LinkedIn profiles, and pitches that tell your unique story. But we don't stop there. You get specific skill development, guidance, and ongoing feedback to keep your roadmap updated and relevant. Why does this matter? Because a clear career direction saves you from years of trial and error. Tailored applications grab recruiters' attention, and confident interview performance. That's your ticket to faster job placements and sustained career growth. Ready to ditch those rejection emails and vague career paths? Click the link in the description to book your first consultation. Let's create a fulfilling career you'll love, one step at a time. Your future starts now.